Hello dear student, now in this tutorial we will see the concept of LCM, that is known as lowest common multiple, or you can say least common multiple. So the next exercise, which is based on HCF, that is highest common factor, and LCM, and in the coming exercise there will be the use of LCM and HCF. So before this you should understand, you already understood HCF, now it's time to understand LCM. So in this question, in coming question you will get the number, maybe you will get two number at a time, three, but first you should understand what is LCM. So first I directly take the example and then I will tell you the meaning of LCM. So if you have the two number 12 and 8, so you have to take their factor first, as you learn how to get the factor. So it is written as 2 into 6, then further you can divide the 6, so 2 into 3. Okay, so these are the prime factorization. Now you can break the 8, so 8 can be written as 2 into 4 and then 2 into 2. So this is the prime factorization. Now here you have to, when you do the LCM, you have to pick up first common number. So 2 is common, here also 2 is common, so 2 into 2. Then uncommon number that you have to write. So these are the common that we already written. Uncommon number is 2, and because this is uncommon, because in this pair we do the pairing of 2 2, but we didn't do the pairing here, so this is, you can make it separate as a uncommon number, then remaining is 3. Finally you do the multiplication, so here 8 into 3, it is 24. So 24 is the LCM. Now what is the meaning of that answer? Means this is the least number, where this number it come in the multiplication table of 12 and 8, because 12 into 2 is 24, 8 into 4 is 24, and this is the least number which is coming in the multiplication table of 12 and 8. You can say this is the least multiple of 12 and 8. Before that no one such number come, like 20 not comes, 12 not comes, 16 not coming in the multiplication of 12 and 8. So this is the minimum number, that's why its name is least or lowest common multiple, because this number is coming in the multiples of 12 and 8 and it is the lowest number. That is the concept of LCM. Second method is also there. This second method we generally use if you have more numbers, like here we have only two numbers. If you have 4 5 6 like that, then we use this second method. So our numbers are this one. Then as you know, both the number are divisible by 4, or you can also divide by 2, it's up to you. If you divide by 4, so here 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Okay, and here you have to do this process continuously till you get the 1 at last, so that it is not divisible by 2. So here again you divide by 2, so here 3 as it is you write, because it is not a divisible of 2. So here you can divide by 2, so 2 ones are 2, so here you write 1. Finally here 3 is there, so you use here 3, so 3 ones are 3, so here 1 will be there, 1 as it is. So finally we are getting 1, so our process will stop and you do the multiplication of these 3. So LCM equal to 4 into 2 into 3. So it is what? 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So we are getting the same answer. So either you can use this method or this. According to me, this one is easy if you have 2 or 3 number. This one you can use if you have 3, 4, 5 numbers like that. Now we will see the LCM of coprime. Whenever the coprime number is there, that is, there is no common factor of that number. 9 and 4, no common factor is there, so these are the coprime number. So their multiplication is only the LCM. So its LCM should come 36. We will do the testing. 9 is written as 3 into 3, 4 is written as 2 into 2. So there is no common number. Okay, there is no common number. So how you will get LCM? We will pick up uncommon number. So that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So it is what? 36. So whenever the co-prime number is come, that multiplication will be its LCM. Then LCM where one number is the factor of other. Like in example 5 and 20. So its answer should be 20 because 20 is divisible by 5. We will do the testing. 5 is nothing but 5 only. There is no factor. It's a prime number. 20 is 4 into 5. It is 2 into 2 into 5 because 4 we can divide like that. So here this 3 number, here 1. So LCM equals to 5 is common. Here 5 is there. Here already 5 is there. So 5 you write one time, remaining 2 into 2. This is the uncommon number. So here the answer is 20. You check this. So the greatest number, if this number is divisible by other, then that greatest number will be its LCM. So whatever you learn in this introduction part, same concept will be used in the tutorial. So in the next tutorial we will see some problem of LCM, HCF and some other problem that we will see. So I hope friend you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.